Hello, everyone, and welcome to this month's Open On Demand workshop. My name is Connor Ahern, and I will be your host today. The topic of this month's Open Workshop is Master the Future, and our goal is on your screen now, but we'll learn how to use will and going to when talking about the future. Let's begin. You will see the link for this website on the screen now. So please open this website. On this page, you can find the material, which is your material to keep forever. Please save it, download it, and print it. And you will find quizzes that you can complete after the workshop to review the key material. Let's get started. So, will is used for quick decisions made at the moment of speaking. For example, I'm thirsty. I think I will buy a drink. I'm thirsty. I think I will buy a drink. It's hot in here. I'll turn on the air conditioner. It's hot in here. I'll turn on the air conditioner. So use will when you make a decision at the time of speaking. We can also use will when we're making an offer. For example, I will help you with your luggage. It looks heavy. I will help you with your luggage. It looks heavy. Or, I'll get a coffee for you. I'll get a coffee for you. So, we use will to make a decision at the time of speaking, or when we are making an offer. That is will. Going to is used for actions that have already been decided before you speak about them. For example, I'm going to take some time off work this year. I'm going to take some time off work this year. Or he's going to quit his job and become an artist. He's going to quit his job and become an artist. So we use going to talk about our plans or action that has already been decided in the past. We also use going to talk about future predictions when there is evidence that something is likely to happen. For example, this team is playing so poorly today. They are going to lose. This team is playing so poorly today. They're going to lose. Or, it's so cloudy. I think it's going to rain. It's so cloudy. I think it's going to rain. So, use going to talk about your plans made in the past or future predictions when you have some evidence. One more bonus, present continuous. We use present continuous, which is verb, dorshi, ing, going, arriving, leaving, for plans or arrangements. For example, they are coming to see us tomorrow. They are coming to see us tomorrow. Or we're having a party at Christmas. We're having a party at Christmas. When there is some time or date or day, we normally use present continuous. You can also use going to. For example, we are going to have a party at Christmas. But having is a little bit shorter, right? Going to have is a bit longer. So we normally use present continuous, verb ing, to talk about plans or arrangements with a date or a time. So that's the difference between will and going to. Let's review with a quick quiz. So you will see 4 sentences on your screen. Please choose the correct sentence, A, B, C, or D. That's correct. A is the right answer. I'm going on holiday next month. It's the right answer because this plan has already been made. So A is correct answer. Well done. A, B, C, or D? That's right. B is correct answer. Those boxes look heavy. I'll give you a hand. Remember, we use will when we're making an offer. I'll give you a hand. B is correct answer. Okay, next question. Well done. C and D are both correct. What are you going to do this evening? What are you doing this evening? Remember, we can use present continuous because there is a time or there is a date, evening, and we can also use going to. So C and D are both correct. Good. Question number 4. Well done. A is correct answer. It is going to snow soon. Remember, we use going to talk about future predictions. So A is correct answer. And last question for today. Okay, C is correct answer. I am going to get a new job. This has already been decided, so we use going to. C is correct answer. Well done. Okay, so that is the difference between will and going to. I recommend that number one, on this page, you review with our quizzes. And then number two, I recommend that you contact the English Help Desk. And the English Help Desk is open 5 days a week. We're operating virtually at the moment, but you can book a Zoom appointment. And I recommend that you make 3 sentences with will, going to, and present continuous. And you can either send these sentences by email or you can talk to us via a Zoom meeting. And the email address will appear on your screen now. Well, thank you very much for watching this short video about the future tense. I hope you found it helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in an open workshop in the future. Thank you very much.